And let's have now the travel panel. I invite to the stage Mr. Uthman Benes, Head of CVC at QIC DVP. خلاص. Again, changing the name?
Yeah, no. Yeah, thank you. It's back me. It's not Ottman. We have a little discussion about travel insurance right now. I think it's very exciting times after COVID, before the World Cup, especially for us in Qatar. And please welcome my chat partner here on stage. One second. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oops.
So, Uthman, you put your name in the text, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, welcome. It's the two of us. We have the stages for everything is for us here on stage. Let's a little bit start. I a little bit mentioned we had COVID. World Cup is coming. Please give us a little overview about the travel industry per se, because you're running the Regency branch here in Doha. And we can please introduce yourself and give us a little taste of what's happening.
Yeah. So I think this will be the shortest session between me and you. So I'm Manoj. I'm the GM at the Regency Travel and Tours, one of the oldest and the largest travel agency in this region. So as a travel agency, after the COVID, we see a lot of changes. Like usually when travelers come or customers come to us, they need a visa by default. For the visa, they need the insurance. So that was an additional product. For us, it was kind of ancillary services or the byproduct. But now it is must to have product. Okay, I can give you one example. After this pandemic and COVID, we are moving from the brick and mortar company towards a travel technology company. Okay. And the first time it happened that, we have delayed our B2B launch, which was supposed to happen in the June to July, because when we are doing the study up with all the partners and everything for the B2B customers, we found that they don't only need flight and hotels, they need the insurance product also. So then we have geared up our team. Now include the insurance in the main portal, because that is the 33% customer, our B2B customer, need the travel as a main product, like flight, hotel, and transfer. Okay. And then there's a great opportunity, but at the same time, when we talk to the QIC or the other travel insurance companies, this is the time when we have to, create customer-centric products. Not like before the health and this. Now, example, some customers they come to our office and they ask, suppose, is it possible that I have taken the travel insurance for the flight delay compensation? It is going to cover the multiple flight cancellation or the single flight cancellation. So now we have to we are creating a system where we can feed all this information, and customer can read and and they can decide what kind of insurance they need for their travels. There's a 7 days, not like before. 7 days, 15 days. No, they need 7 days. What will happen if they are stuck in some country due to the COVID or medical emergency? So a lot of changes we are seeing, and just rightly you said World Cup. Yes, 1.5 million people are coming.
I think 5 million. Yeah, 5 million.
Yeah. People are coming, and the Qatar Airways are 60,000 flight. They are thinking the shuttles are coming and going. So there will be a lot of disruption. The changes in the plans and everything. At that time, yes, insurance is going to be a big part for our revenue also, and the sales part also.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you. You mentioned a lot of interesting points, especially also for us as QAC. We are very excited about what's happening regarding the World Cup, because we see it as a huge opportunity to create a product, to sell something to people, or to offer something to people who are coming to the country. Yeah, and at some point it's mandatory, but we see it like we're looking for partners who we can build something together with. And how do you see it, the demand and also the ability of customers who are buying it or buying it not? Is there a big change in the last couple of days, years, months? What is it? What's the difference now?
So actually, see, initially, as I told you, this is an additional product for us. Yeah. Okay. But now it's a must-to-have product. Yeah. Okay. The customer, like if I will say, some customers come and they come with insurance name. Okay, I need the QIC Travel Plus. Why? No, this was not before. If I talk about the 2 years back, okay, we used to tell them, okay, you have to buy this product. Now they come to us, I need this product. Why you need? Okay, this is the reason. Where we understand customer behavior. Okay, now it has completely changed. They need this specific product. Okay, so we are going with the complete. We are approaching the aggregators, different aggregators. Okay, what kind of product you have? Like I will give you example. Refund Me, that was never an insurance product, but now Refund Me act like as an insurance product, where you can claim your money due to cancellation of any reason. So when you started talking to your insurance company, the biggest change what I have seen in the customer, then people want everything to buy online. So convincing them and giving them a tool where they can go and compare the insurance to insurance, peer-to-peer comparison, and then buy, it's behavioral changes that has come in the market.
Yeah, that's you mentioned a lot of interesting points. We can totally agree from an insurer perspective on this that it's very important for customers, travelers right now to be protected. Yeah. Of course, we had COVID, of course, and another situation, and of course, in a lot of countries it's mandatory. But my question a little bit to you also is, how do you see the travel behavior changing in the next couple of years? Yeah? Is there anything specific you can mention, or and also in terms of embedded solution, is there anything we can help you with as a QSC?
Yeah, as a QSC or as a technology. Like suppose I tell that in this region, especially C, the travel is a brick and mortar company on the model. Now we are moving from that model to online travel agencies. Okay, now people are going more online and everything. So we need a product where people can buy online very easily. Not we have to go and log in the QIC portal or any insurance portal, and because now remote work is coming. So now we have the agents who are doing the bookings on the WhatsApp and everything. So they need a system where we can integrate with the insurance companies and everything, and we can buy online, we can claim online, we can settle online. Okay, so such kind of behavior changes, and the working style of the travel agency is also changing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So where we see that you as a partner, where we can develop the products, different products, not only related to health only, the baggage, flight delay, okay, the claim is extended claim in the foreign countries, okay. So such kind of products, yes, we can work for sure.
Yeah, let's work on this. That's a lot of good points. Customize the product is very important. We also strongly believe in this, that you have to create individual product for every individual need.
Yes,
that's very key.
Like there is one product, we were thinking a lot about the student travel. When they go for, the student, they go for some, programs, and that is changes. Okay, what will happen? And now I recall, there was one corporate I was talking, okay, and the big corporate in the Qatar, and they were saying, okay, Manoj, do you have any product like mass cancellation? So I am bringing, 200 and 300 workers, blue collar workers, and suppose anything happened with the flight or anything, do you will cover this? So okay, we have to go and we have to see if we have this kind of product, or we have to ask our partners, you can create some kind of product, because that is in the demand. Now construction is booming, everything is booming. Okay, we have to mobilize like World Cup. Okay, there's a one hotel group, they want to bring 24,000, but they want to make sure, okay, 500 people they are bringing from any part of the world. Anything happen with their flight and hotel and stay or anything, are you going to cover? So such kind of product has started coming in the market, like event cancellation. They ask for that also. I am the event company, I am arranging the event in different part of the world. If suppose event cancelled due to the surge in the cases of the COVID or anything, are you going to cover that or not? So there's a lot of new things are coming in the market where we have, as a partners, we can sit together and we can decide we can create such kind of, or we can do such kind of customization or not.
Yeah, interesting. Yeah, and let's maybe go back to the World Cup. What do you think? How good is, let's say, is our travelers for the World Cup prepared for accidents here in the country when something's happening? What are you expecting from a agent perspective? Is the coverage good? What is the procedure? Is there any room for improvement?
So actually, see, as a travel agency, we are every year bombarded with the demands, for the rooms and the cars, transfer, land arrangements and everything. But right now, Miss, I don't think anyone here, to say that, okay, what is going to happen. We are just wait and watching till August or September, when everything will be clear. We have the rooms, we have the land arrangements, but yes, means if you will go from the perspective of the arrangements and everything, okay, slowly we have started converting the bookings, okay, but when there is uncertainty, okay, the customer will or the fan will be stay here, or they will settle between Oman, Doha, Dubai, Doha, okay, then we have started creating the products. Okay, during this product creation, you have to think a lot of things. Okay, but yes, means we can say we are prepared. Okay, but things will be clear after September.
Yeah, I agree on this. I think for my understanding, there's a lot of room for innovation to, and especially in terms of when something is happening, how you interact in a foreign country with doctors. With the clinic, but now with technology everywhere, you can easily create a virtual clinic. When you have something, we heard a lot of good value proposition in terms of symptom checkers, and we don't have this right now in the country or in other countries. Here's a lot of room for automatization technology we can use, especially when you're in a foreign country. And agree with you. We can take this World Cup as an opportunity.
So, no, like app-based, we can create the information. Okay, you want the nearest clinic to me, where I am covered. Okay, I have the travel insurance, but I am here in the Doha. There's a 60,000, 70,000 people are watching the match, and now I have the medical emergency. I need an app. I need a system where I can see what is the nearest clinic to me, where I'm covered at least. Yeah. Okay, so such kind of things, a lot of people are working. I'm not saying, okay, we are not doing anything. Yes, we are working, day and night we are working, and other partners are also working. And then we are trying to connect from travel agency to like Doha Pass to this app developers, then this company, and then you are trying to create a complete ecosystem, where you will start from the one point and you will end to other point.
What do you think? Why is it not existing for now? Why is this ecosystem not there? Because it sounds very easy when you mention it. I agree with you on this.
To be very honest, when I started my career in Qatar in 2014, Okay, from the last 2-3 years, I have seen a tremendous change in the behavior of the people, and a lot of startup companies. Salute to them. They are coming with the new ideas and the new apps. Okay, where technology-wise we are evolving. We are not like, I'm not saying, okay, we are saturated with the development and everything. No. Every day we are seeing and we are meeting the people who are doing something new development, some new development in this country, and that is good for us. The new young generation, I say the 18 and 20 years people, they are coming with the new ideas. Okay, they are developing one app, okay, for the sightseeing and everything. They are okay with the travel agency, with the insurance, with the hotels, with the rental cars. Okay, so yes, but we are in the stage of evolve. We are evolving.
But you're saying that more or less the ecosystem is not working because no one is connecting the dots.
Dots, yes, that is completely missing.
Yeah, and do you see that you can play, let's say, a more important role in the future on this? Because we agree on this. We see that travel insurance makes sense when you connect different players. For example, when we work together as, for example, QIC and Regency, we can connect other, let's say, vendors or other providers of services in travel. That's where the magic is.
Yeah,
but
sure.
What do you think from your, because you know the industry, what is stopping this development?
So actually, see, as I told you before the COVID, okay, insurance was, a part of to get the visa. Nothing like, okay, I need insurance. No. Okay, if you give me an offer, okay, you don't require insurance to get the visa, I will not buy. Okay, but now, after the COVID, things have changed. No. Customers are coming asking for I need the insurance. Usually in the brick and mortar company, okay, and this region which I have found, okay, people mainly rely on the travel agencies. Okay, they walk in, they talk, and then they buy. Nothing that, okay, you have one platform where you can go and compare. Okay, even though I need insurance, why I need this insurance? Why not this? Okay, so then we have started, moving our business model from the brick and mortar company to travel technology company, where we are trying to create an app or create a system where you can go and you can buy product what you want. And then for that you have to approach the social media and everything, where you can at least educate the customer, your end customer, okay, what we have and what you can get. Okay, then please.
No, I think that's a lot of valid points, and I'm not sure if you're talking to me as QAC, with a wish list, or but I think we can make this happen.
Yeah, sure. I know, like I always say, this is not a time when you have the ready-made product and you come to, okay, buy this. Okay, no. Now we do the study. Okay, we see where customer is dropping. Okay, why they are not interested, and then we go to our partner. Okay, is it possible? Then instead of this 4 product, you can give us 36 product. A small. Yes, the premium value, the unit value will be less, but you can sell more to customer. The customer will be more interested to buy such kind of things, rather than, okay, having, you are covering the 10 points, okay, and the cost is very high. Because this market is also, we have to understand this, 60% is blue collars, okay, and the 30% is the white collars, and the 10% high-end customers. So you have to look after every segment, and then you have to create the product. And yes, for that we will discuss.
Let's do this. I think it's good words from your side. Let's create something together. And let's hand over to the next speakers. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
Thank you, Timo and Manoj.